Hello, it's Atul. Welcome to Techobia. As might be if you are wondering if you ever go to your disk properties and try to optimize your disk even for the trimming or just for the fragmentation, and by chance if you scroll down and see there are some particular volumes available over there like this, then a question raised, what are these? I don't have these type of any hard disk installed on my machine. If we go to the disk management and see, we have a lot of the partitions and lot of the disk, but nothing is defined as /volume. Then what are exactly these? On the internet, some people said that these are the volume partition registries assigned to some flash drives, but not. When I tried to find the answer, what exactly I found is that if you see, there are total 4 recovery partitions, actual 3 recovery partitions and 1 EFI system. And if I check, I have 3 /volume registry entries and 1 recovery entry. So I was not sure. I looked into the registry as well. If I'm talking about this recovery and the 3 particular volume registries. So as this is a recovery partition healthy one, and this one belongs to the EFI, and this is to the recovery partition again, and this is the recovery partition again. And how I am so much sure? If we see, all belong to the solid state drive, where I have only one solid state drive installed on which my operating system is working, and all these 4 entries belong to the same drive according to this. So I found my answer. Might be your answer is different. If it is different, then let me know, because in my case I found it correct. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to stay tuned for further videos like this. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.